Oh, hi there. Welcome to GatherTown and AbGradCon 2021. This is the Agora, the main gathering space for the conference, and where you'll first appear. Let's take a look around the space. As you move around GatherTown, you'll start impromptu video conferences with anyone in your proximity, about 5 tiles or less. You can also join private spaces, video conference sessions that are only limited to those in that space. Here's some other tricks for moving around. If you want to find a specific person, go to the participants list, find their name, right-click, and click Locate on Map. This will draw a line between you and that person, allowing you to find them. Another neat trick is the follow function. Find their name again, but this time select Follow. You will then immediately navigate towards that person. And if they move, you'll move along with them. You can also use the G key if you get stuck. Simply hold it down to become a ghost and move freely through people. And finally, use the Z key to dance. Let's go check out the plenary room to the north. This is the plenary room, the main location for all keynote presentations. Simply stand anywhere in the space and you'll be able to see and hear the speaker as well as see their slides. If you have a question, line up by the Q&A podium. When it's your turn, approach the orange circle and your mic should open and broadcast to the room. When you're done, go and take a seat. Remember, when not speaking, please keep your microphone muted. Next, let's check out the breakout rooms to the east. As you move down this hallway, you'll see all the numbered breakout rooms above. There are also some more private spaces below for in-between sessions. Let's go check out one of the rooms. The second you enter the room, you'll be inside that room's private conference. Feel free to stand anywhere in the room to be a part of the conversation. Afterwards, you'll return to the plenary room to report out. You can either walk there or find this handy-dandy teleporter and shoot straight to the room. Next, let's go check out the media room. This is the main room to watch all the pre-recorded conference material. You can approach the posters to look at the program and find links to all the YouTube videos. You can also watch them together, as each carpeted area is a private space. Finally, let's have some fun and go check out the arcade. The arcade's a fun place to unwind in the off hours of the conference. You can approach any of these tables to find fun games, like Dominion. Some of these games do require separate accounts and logins, and you will have to figure that out on your own. You can also play piano. And there are also other games like One Night Werewolf, Battle Tetris, crossword puzzles, and Sudoku. So, find a friend, find a game, and have some fun. I know we all wish we could be together for this year's AbGradCon, but I hope you find this comes pretty close. Have a great time, and I'll see you in GatherTown. Bye now.